Subscribe to my channel Ramz. Click on the bell icon to watch the latest videos.
Hi everyone, today we are going to learn 7 smart, alternate and common phrases in our daily life. Number 1. Cloud 9, meaning it's a state of happiness or bliss. When she got chosen for a job, she was on cloud 9. Other phrases include on top of the world, or I am in 7th heaven, or head in the clouds. Alternative words are jubilant, joyous, blissful, ecstatic. Number 2. Fascinating. When you are strongly attracted to one thing or interested in it, we can use fascinating instead of very interesting and very attractive. I am fascinating in looking at rainbow. Number 3. How have you been? When we use how are you over and over again, it seems quite boring. We can use how it's going or how are things going. In response to that, we can say I am doing well or I am good. I am great. Number 4. The alternative word for boring. We can say in different ways, such as uninspiring or uneventful or Monday or humdrum. The program is quite uninspiring. Number 5. The alternative phrase for I am sorry. We can express in different ways, such as I didn't mean to hurt you. I didn't mean to break your heart. It was my fault. I apologize for my mistake. Number 6. Movers and shakers. This expression is commonly used when we mean to say some person or influential person make things happen. He is one of the movers and shakers in politics. The other words are catalyst, instigator or go-getter. Number 7. Tongue in cheek. The idiom is used to imply something humorous or understood as a joke. The offer was made almost tongue in cheek. Other words are playful or joking. Thank you.